Hi everybody. So today we are doing something new. I have my canvas on a Lazy Susan. This is something new for me. And I am very excited about it. It's very fun. Now I had to put my everything in a box because paint goes everywhere when you do this. So as you can see, my awesome setup of my camera above me. I tend to jury rig stuff, so yeah, the wonderful reflective black paint. Don't you gotta love it? Anyways, yeah, so it actually was very easy to spread this paint using my Lazy Susan, so that was awesome. So what we're doing is we actually don't have to use a lot of paint in this. Now this is a special mix because I did not have navy blue, but I wanted to use navy blue, so I mixed a little bit of purple, a little bit of black until I got exactly to what I wanted. Then I figured, you know what, I have some of this magenta left over. Let's go ahead and put some magenta in here. And that was a huge air bubble. I don't know if you can see it, but I did not want that air bubble going in there, so it didn't go in. It stayed in the cup, thank goodness. Yeah, and then we put a little bit of that Playful pink. I'm loving the Arteza Iridescent paints. And just wait until you see this thing dry. It is amazing. I am not a pink person. I swear I am not. But this thing dried amazing. I love it. I'm calling it Supernova. I really didn't know what else to call it, but because, you know, black canvas, kind of space, you know. If you can come up with a better name, go ahead and put it in the comments below, because I will be interested to know what you guys think of it. So I was kind of going for a bloom effect, but I don't know what I'm doing because this is my first time. So just bear with me. I'm having fun playing with my Lazy Susan on the canvas. Now, to get my canvas to stay, what I did was I have these little cup hooks that I screw into the back of the canvas, into the wood, and then I went and I took my hot glue gun and I glued it to the plastic that is on my Lazy Susan, so my Lazy Susan doesn't get paint all over it. And the plastic is Glad Press and Seal, so my canvas didn't move at all, in case you were wondering how I got it to stay. Now my bigger canvases, I'm not sure how I'm going to make that work. I guess we'll see what happens. I see a lot of different people jury rig them and do this or that, or you know, whatever, but that's how I got this one to stay. I took my glue gun, glued the cup hooks down to the Glad Press and Seal, and then I waited until it dried a little bit before I moved it, pretty much, because I didn't want to mess up the paint. Now pretty much I kept spinning this because I was trying to get that one piece to spread out a little bit, and then all of a sudden I realized, oh, the paint's not spreading anymore. So I had to do something to break it up because I didn't like just that one spot. So I blew it a little bit, and then I didn't want it to be all puffy or whatever because I had messed up the smoothness of the canvas and the paint. So I spun it again just to like smooth it out, you know. Um, and and then I was like, okay, well, I gotta blow it a little bit, I had to make it kind of wispy, I guess, but, and then I had to break it up just a little bit. So, you know, I'm just trying to get it to look a little wispy, you know, to make it blend in with everything else. So it didn't look like that big old arm kind of thing, you know. And then spin it again just to make everything blend in there. Alright. Now we can take you down for the wet reveal. Now, because I was so excited about this, I forgot to do a video for the wet reveal. So this is a picture that I had taken while it was still wet. And now this is the dry reveal. Because it's on black paint, it was very hard to get like a good shot of the paint. But I think I got it for you guys. I hope I did. I mean, it's just, look at how it dried. I mean, the colors are just popping and just boom. Wow. Amazing. I don't know. I just love it. That playful pink turned into like this shimmery, I don't have any gold in there. Here I turned off the light to maybe so you can see some of the lacing in there. It's just amazing. I am thrilled with this. But anyways, the playful pink, which, you know, it pours down as white and then it turns into that kind of golden pinky. I don't even know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great evening.